Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about integers. This video will be very much helpful for the students of 5th, 6th and 7th grade. So let's look into numbers. Number is divided into three: whole numbers, natural numbers and integers. Whole numbers, natural numbers and integers. Whole number means number starting from 0, 0, 1, 2, etc. Now what is natural number? It starts from 1, not from 0. That's the difference between whole number and natural number. When we usually count, we start from 1, not from 0. So that makes a difference. Naturally when we count from, it starts from 1. Then about integers. Integers include negative numbers, positive numbers as well as 0. Negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. Addition of integers. Here we need to consider two rules while doing addition of integers. It's very simple. Let's take the examples here. 2 plus 5. Both are positive integers. So the result will be in positive. So 2 plus 5, answer is 7, which is also a positive number. Then comes two negative numbers. Addition of two negative integers. Negative 2 plus negative 5. So the result will be also a negative number, which is negative 7. So here the rule is positive plus positive, which gives result in positive. Negative plus negative gives a result which is also negative. Next comes a bit complicated, means a bit different rule. It's not complicated, it's a bit different rule. Negative 2 plus 5. So first here we need to check which is a greater number, 2 or 5. Just consider the digits 2 or 5. Which is greater number? 5 is a greater number. So what's the sign of 5? It's positive. So the answer will be in positive. Answer is also positive. Now we need to subtract 2 from 5. How you will do this? 5 minus 2, which is equal to 3. The answer is plus 3. Answer is plus 3. Here, for the next example, which is a greater digit, 5 or 2? 5. So here, see, a sign of 5 is negative, so answer also will be in negative. Now you need to subtract 2 from 5. 5 minus 2, which is equal to 3. So the answer is 3. Here the rule is that result will be in greater number sign. And you have to subtract a smaller number from greater number. Now comes properties of addition. First property, closure property. What does it say? If a and b are two integers, then a plus b is also an integer. So let's take a look with an example. Two digits, 2 plus 5. Both are integers. What's the result of this? 7. 7 is also an integer. So closure property is proved. Both a and b, 2 and 5 are integers. Then a plus b, result of 2 plus 5, 7. That's also an integer. If you take an example, minus 7 plus 10. Minus 7 is an integer, plus 10 is an integer. So the result is 3. That is also an integer. So this property is proved. So let's go to second property. Properties of addition. Second property is commutative property. What does it say? If a and b are two integers, then a plus b equal to b plus a. Let's have a look into that with an example. Example, 4 plus 7, that's equal to 11, which is also equal to 7 plus 4. Whatever we do, we just swap it, result is the same. If we consider minus 4 plus 7, answer is 3. Same, if you swap it, 7 plus minus 4, answer is 3. So, we prove the theorem, commutative property. If a and b are two integers, then a plus b equal to b plus a. Here comes the third property of addition, associative property. What does it say? If a, b, c are three integers, a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. With example, we can prove this. Five plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Now, 5 plus 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 5 equal to 10. Thus, we prove the third property, associative property. Here comes the fourth law, existence of additive identity. What does it say? If a is any integer, then a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a, which is equal to a. Simply, it says that any integer, when added with 0, the result will be 0. Here comes a property of addition. Fourth property, existence of additive identity. What it says? If a is any integer, then a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a, which is equal to a. Simply, you can say that if any integer is added with 0, the result is the same integer. For example, when you add 5 with 0, the result is 5. 0 plus 5 or 5 plus 0 gives a result 5. Any number added with 0 gives a result the same number. Here comes the property of addition, fourth property, existence of additive inverse. What it says? If a is any integer, then there exists another integer such that a plus minus a equal to 0 or minus a plus a equal to 0. For example, 6 plus minus 6 is equal to 0 or minus 6 plus 6 is equal to 0. Thank you guys. Now if you like my video, please like, subscribe and share my channel. Also please provide your comments below. Thank you.